Richard Brown here from Richard Brown Films. Today is one of them day, this morning is one of them morning where you not even know what are the right words to say in standing in front of the camera. Richard Brown Films official main YouTube channel got hacked yesterday evening, and the fact that the channel got hacked is that whosoever hacked the channel, I don't know if them go live and when them go live. We actually didn't see the live because we never know because we were filming. So the fact that it got hacked, them breaching the community guidelines, so YouTube terminate the page, and the fact that the page get terminated, it's up to us from last night where we email YouTube. We've been on the chat with them and talk to them, trying to explain to them what happened, for try to see if they can reinstate the channel. So in my headspace, I feel like it's a 50-50 chance that we might get back the channel or we might not get back the channel. We know so things like those that will take a time. So the main purpose of this video is just to let you guys know that while waiting on YouTube, if them are going to reinstate the channel, I just make last time I make a brand new YouTube channel, Richard Brown Films, just the same, different email address, but still the same name. We'll upload 3 videos already to it that we already had on the old channel. So just to try to get back the subscriber count up and get back the channel monetized. So for now, we're only gonna put 3 videos on it, or might 4, so until we get it monetized, because we don't want to have video there running and not getting a stream of income from YouTube, because at the end of the day, it's not something that we can hide. Say we have get a money a month time from YouTube, and that same money that we get, it goes back into making new content and actually making sure that everybody who involved in the process gets something at the end of the month. We're not making a lot of money from YouTube. People might feel like YouTube is a place where you're making millions, especially for us. Maybe if we did our one-man team and what we are make from YouTube, it would be okay if you live and survive and live good. But at the end of the day, it's not a one-man thing. Me involved in the making process. Me have the editor, me have Fire, who is the writer, me have all these people who are acting at the movie. At the end of the month, everybody have to get something. So it everything dwindles down in terms of payout and everything. So it's not like we're making millions. We're just using this as a stepping stone to create the brand, to lay the foundation for something bigger, which would be making the official website where people can pay a monthly subscription. But at the end of the day, this all goes to show us that sometimes not last ever, if that's the right word, or sometimes there is always vulnerability in whatever we do, because you always have people who actually love what we do and want to see we grow and move forward. And then on the other hand, you have people who actually hate what we're doing. And it goes right back even into when you see people dislike with videos. It goes right back to that for sure. You say those are a form of bad mind. And even though people might say, oh, don't pay those people no mind, sometimes you have to, because it's so heart-wrenching and feel away if you know when you're putting in so much work, you're making so much sacrifice, and at the end of the day, somebody out there hate on what you do. As even last night we say, yo, we could not do anything illegal, we could not scam, we could not rob, but yet we choose to do the right things, which is putting our creativity at work and make something happen out of nothing. You know what I say? So our aim now is just to either build from scratch or to pick up where we left off, which is Richard Brown Films, and make it more secure. But what I want to do at this end of this video is just to say that, guys, if you feel like supporting what we do, because we are gonna need to get back on our feet. No, we not gonna have no income coming through per month for a while until we get back on our feet with the new channel, or if we get reinstated. So for now, if you guys want to send a donation to help keep on the thing going, link me up on Richard Brown Films on Instagram and let me know so you can help and we can move forward from this. Also, we've been trying to get a new camera and camera mashup, and we're going to hang on for the one that we have. We haven't got no cameras yet. So if you guys want to help, you can. Just link me up on Richard Brown Films. Let me know how you can help and we can push forward that. Other than that, we want to get back the subscriber count up. Last night we get 500 subscribers. We're still short of 500 more, and not only that, we're short of 500 more, we want to get the watch time up, which is 4,000 hours. So we need at least 2 to 3,000 views on at least one of the video so we can reach a subscriber count. So head over there right now, Richard Brown Films. The link will be provided in the description, so you can click on the link and head over to the channel and make sure say you watch up the video and you share it with your friends, same like how it was before, so we can get that subscriber count up. At the end of the day, it is what it is. We're not gonna stop doing what we are do, because this is just the start of something. I feel like with anything that is great, you always gonna have challenges, you always gonna have fight. You know what I say? But this fight only gonna make us stronger. So big up on yourself, continue to support, big up all the loyal persons who have always been supporting what we do, whether financially, whether physically, or whether just sharing up these videos. Just continue to do what you guys do best, because with full strength we always can reach further. And it's kind of hard when when we are pinpoint a blame and say, oh, black people this or black people that. We're not going to do that today. We're going to say, yo, people in itself is always going to be corrupted and bad mind of others. So big up on yourself, continue to support the movement, and just continue to spread the love. Big up on yourself. Richard Brown, I'm out, alright?